I am in nothing right now. I haven't even looked at the charts yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure something out over here. Oh, gold longs. Nice. I like those gold longs. What's your target? Like up to 1476? Yeah, it makes sense. Previous kind of was bullish. This should continue bullish. But someone drew that thing.
It's me. That's where I took the first target.
Oh, okay.
It's where I took half around this area. My entry was based on the 15-minute.
Hmm.
Good morning.
Hey, good
Good
morning.
morning, Chris.
Good morning.
What's up, guys?
Nice stories yesterday, Chris.
Yeah, brother. I've got to put people in their place.
Yeah, man.
I've been dealing with a few haters, but it's
I
to be
think that-
expected.
I think they will shut up for a few weeks
Yeah,
after
man.
that story.
It's just one dude, actually. I find it quite interesting, to be fair.
Why do you feed them, man?
Well, it's the first time, man. He watched the stream. He wanted to join my business stuff. Basically, I didn't accept him because I didn't want him to, which I can because it's my business. And yeah, since then he's hated me. So, yeah, never mind. But I actually found it quite interesting yesterday. So, that's a good conversation. Good couple of hours of my time.
You enjoyed, right?
Yeah, I did yesterday. I don't normally do stuff like that, but I kind of, I thought, you know what? Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I won't be doing it that often. It's very rare for me to do stuff like that.
I liked it, man.
Yeah, I actually thought it was quite funny.
It's time for them to shut up for a bit.
Yup.
Come on,
If you're not making stuff up, man, and it's the same as a stream, man, it's all legit, it's real, you know.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
The thing is that people like you have.
Whoa.
Oh,
Of course.
Yo, here we go.
Come on,
What a
Rakeel.
push.
Straight off the bat.
yo, Carlos. I think
Yeah.
most times you close early because you see the but in the chart. Like you'll see a trade, but then you'll say a but.
No. Like my main problem, what I've just realizing by journaling and watching my previous trades, is that I go to break even too fast.
Hmm.
Then it comes back, takes me out, and then runs again. I don't know. Maybe I'm the only idiot doing that, but I'm trying. I've just reduced my size and trying to leave my stop what it is. Like yesterday, you said that when you're in a trade, just don't look at the charts, and if it stops you out, stops you out.
Yeah.
So that's
That's
what I'm trying to
the
do.
same thing I'm doing now. I've just reduced my lot size.
Oh shit! That volume.
That's
And
loud,
I just
bro.
leave the.
That's a good microphone.
Shit, that woke me up.
Man, I had headphones and all
What's that
of a sudden-
microphone, man? I need that.
Holy shit!
That woke me up hard.
I thought Jesus was talking to me or some shit like that. He said, my time.
Jeez, are you there? Go ahead, man.
Is it me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Is it better now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's much better.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was saying that I'm doing exactly the same. I've just reduced my lot size. And I don't touch the stop loss until I'm like 10 pips in profit or more.
Yeah.
And it helps a lot.
Yep.
Because you're still looking at the price, at the money, and if you see some profit, you want to secure it as soon as there is something you're comfortable with.
Yep, exactly.
But then it just takes you out, and you've got nothing.
Yeah, and I also try to wait for, if I'm on the 15 or the 30 minute, I try to wait for that candle to close. And if it's a bad close, maybe I'll move my stop. But previously, it's just, it goes, give me like 8 pips, I move to break even, comes back, takes me out, and then run again.
Yeah, it's all about trusting in your analysis.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
it.
Yeah, you're right. Like Chris, you said it yesterday, right? Like trust your analysis and all that. And
Yeah,
your
for
stop.
real, man. I said 40, what did I say? 42,800.
Hmm.
So it was there, man. You just got to be patient, stick to it. As long as you set your levels in the correct places. I mean, the thing like Roger closed early sometimes because he doesn't like the way it's moving. That's that's what people can do. But if you trust your analysis originally, brilliant.
See now, this
Did
is
you
a,
like my chart?
yeah, this is a good chart here. Candle close bullish. You're anticipating this to continue moving up. So I'll be watching the 30-minute to see how 30-minute. If the 30-minute closes above this area, then it's good, right? But you need a bullish candle to close up.
Okay.
But when we look at this chart here, makes no sense at all.
Fuck, man, I cannot
Can't
see
even
anything.
see it.
You know,
Yeah,
so
black.
now, ironically, these both are GP CAD. This is GP CAD, and this is another GP CAD chart.
But he's looking for cells.
The second trade is on my ML shit.
And it's the 15-minute his.
Oh,
And that's why I like it, because it's the 1 hour and it's creating support. So the 1 hour support should be strong.
Yeah. If I was in this trade, I would have closed it because the 30-minute had broken the low of the previous 30-minute.
that's what I did. I followed Chris' advice. If you see your setup, take it. So I was looking at that 6:30 close
Mm-hmm.
on GBP JPY, and I was like,
Yeah,
ooh,
man.
okay, we're gonna continue that push. And then she slammed back. The second she broke the low of that 6:15 candle, I was like, yep, trade invalid.
Yeah, that's exactly how you play it.
Yeah.
As long as you're sticking to your plan.
Go
on, sorry.
Oh, no, I was just trying to beatbox.
Oh.
Go on. Hey, wasn't that funny, man?
You did that at the mic though. Real loud one.
Man, we were thinking you were going to say something important.
Drop of knowledge then.
Not all the time. Ooh, someone's got gold. Take profit at like 1477, 1478. Interesting. Not Alex. Positions on gold, early entry. Yeah, I think you're good. Your stop is good. I was actually looking to enter it the same way, like once this 30-minute candle closes. No, it's a little too big. I'm not gonna enter. I think this candle closing bullish was the entry. I mean, this was a confirmation, and this candle was the entry.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. But I can't enter now because my stop is going to be too big. So I'll tell myself I missed it.
Hey, Raja,
Hey,
would it have been a bad entry after the 30-minute or the 5:30 close on the 30-minute?
no.
It would have stopped you out. Yeah, it would have stopped you out.
No, after the 5:30 close. Oh, this one here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I would have stopped you out. Because one of the main reasons I wouldn't enter here was because this was the start of the new 4-hour candle. Right? So you would expect the 4-hour candle to kind of make a lower wick too.
Also, for me, it's gone below the support to the left, the little support on them candles you just had. That will put me off a little bit.
Ooh, 4 hours creating a nice support here. 1 hour as well. If we remove this from here. Oh yeah, I'd probably take it on the 1 hour. Yeah, this would look good. 1470, 1474 being held as support. This closes bullish. You got like a 12, 13 pip stop and like a 25 pip gain. Could be a good trade. Now, I'm not going to take into this information into account like this over here, because if this was important, this candle would have reacted to that information, but that candle didn't react to it, just fell down. So if this closes nice bullish candle, the next one should kind of wick down and continue up.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, so if that was important enough, that bearish candle would have done something there, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So let's just see how this closes.
Oh,
Me, the
GJ's
thing-
going.
The thing that it was able to go above the previous 1 hour candle is like key.
Yeah.
Because if you see the previous one, they were just doing lower lows and low highs.
Waiting for a retest, then going to short. 1 hour wick fill, support from, this looks good.
Roman, you were talking about GJ?
Yeah, it looks like it's about to start running. But I gotta clean my eye out. Hold on. So it's
I don't want to talk
retesting that support level right there.
Yeah.
I just wanted to do something. Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
Come on, the whole yesterday and today has been running
Yeah.
I know. That's why I'm like antsy.
because you
I
haven't
wanna-
taken anything, right?
I don't want to miss that.
Right, dude, don't talk about GJ. I had an entry at 650, and I made 10 pips, put stopped at break even, and it stopped me out, and then it shot up to 43. I was like, man.
We've been there, man.
Yep.
We've been there.
I can't complain. Yesterday was a good day.
Hey dude, I'm in a long time lurker and have been addicted to the stream. Sometimes I take your trades. I must thank you for the profits. Oh, thank you, addict.
That's nice.
Welcome. USD CAD is so low. Oh, I think, USD CAD has room to go down if you look on the daily here. USD CAD has some room. You gotta measure how far this is. This is 4 pips. What? Yeah. I mean, if this closes bearish, you can expect the next one to continue down too, because it's really in a downtrend. I'd be very cautious of GJ because GJ might just range for New York. Like it had a push up pre-London, and then it just ranged London Open. So I'd be very wary of. Like GJ might just range in New York. So I'm just gonna be.
I
No.
thought
Maybe.
that
If it starts to
Yeah.
break above, I think you'll get another push. But I think at the minute you're right. It's just gonna do what it's doing.
Cause man, this dude had a fucking massive pushes. Tuesday and Wednesday.
Yep.
So that.
When you look on the weekly now, it's pretty high up. So
Yeah.
there was some news this morning with people leaving the Brexit party to support Boris as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so that's a bit more, again, a positivity for Boris's side, which are the people that are going to get Brexit done probably quicker. So whether that's part and parcel of what's happened this morning, that could be something to do with it as well. The opinions and
A lot of people have left now for Boris.
yeah, there seems to be a steady stream of people leaving other parties to back Boris's team. So yeah, we'll wait and see. What was it?
Boris gonna win, right? I mean, what's your sentiment right now?
My personal opinion, I think so. Yeah. I don't know who it was I was talking to down here, the other English guy, but he wasn't so sure. So, I mean, this is difference of opinion. I think he will.
Yeah, it was me.
Morning, mate. I don't know who you were. Sorry.
Just took a long ride, Rakeel.
Yeah, I just took a long.
I'm thinking more I win. Sorry.
What's this? Gold. Stop loss. Target. Oh, someone's looking for sells on gold. Alright. Well, we'll see what happens.
It's me against you.
It's me against you.
Yeah, but the guy trying to sell, see where we at right now, where it's bouncing from.
Yeah, it's a very dirty chart. I mean, those candles are very dirty, so I'm not even gonna attempt to analyze this. Because if you look at the 1 hour has clean candles. So I'm taking it based on the 1 hour. When I look at the 15 minute, look at that, man. Garbage. 1 hour so clean. So nice. So you gotta look at clean candles.
Morning, Raja.
Hey, good
Also
morning.
bouncing off
How are you?
support,
Good,
so-
good, man. How are you?
Great. If this GJ 30-minute candle closes below all these rest, wouldn't it give more of a probability that it'll continue down?
No, because you see to the left-hand side, even though it closed below, it didn't, go below these. Because like now it's tricky because it's ranging in this range. Like it's in this range.
Right.
I mean, you look at the 15-minute here, right? It closed above this area. So 142, 143 actually is like a good support here, which is prices ranging here now.
And what would you say? So I can see how like it's hitting resistance, hitting support, hitting resistance, but to me, I kind of see gold kind of similar, just in slightly bigger range.
Yes. So if you look on the 1 hour, right? So if I'm taking a buy on the support, near support, right? There's a 30 pip distance up to the resistance. So
right.
this
So even though it's in a range, there's room.
Yeah, exactly, right? So when you have a 30 pip range, you can easily get like 10, 15 pips out of it. GJ range here is if you like 20 pip if you like overextend it. You know, 20 pip, but it's way too small.
Perfect. Thank you.
4 hour on GJ, it's just not. I wouldn't be keen.
Yeah.
I mean, not for a sell.
So you can take trades inside the range if the range is big enough. No, Rakeel?
Well, yeah, and you gotta use your judgment too.
Yeah, of course.
Like the other week, GJ was ranging a 4 hour for about, I don't know, about 50 pip range or something. That you could play that from top to bottom nearly.
Yep.
But it just can be a bit risky.
Someone said my chart's different than yours. Am I wrong? You're not wrong. I'm just trying to guide you in the better way. If you wanna say that if I'm saying you're wrong, then that's fine. I mean, I don't know, man. I'm just trying to help you with viewing the charts properly. I mean, like if you come on here and share charts, and if you can't take my criticism, then leave, because I'm gonna critique your charts.
It's all about critique.
Yeah.
That's how you learn, man.
Yeah. Alright. I'm not gonna open any charts from pure mathematics here. Three times rejection of 15-minute daily resistance. Yeah, I think the TP is below support. I mean, if I was in this trade, I would put my stops at break even by now. Because if I'm expecting the support to break, I'd have my stops at break even, because what if the support doesn't break? What if it holds?
Mm-hmm.
How's the Torch account doing? Let's take a look. Oh, Torch account took 2 losses, 30 pips each.
Well, big lot size. I've not looked today.
Man, he was almost at break even.
Damn.
How can you guys view that? Magic.
You have to be in the, you have to be in the group. In the group.
Which group, man?
Yeah, it's QBanks. He posts like the information.
Yeah.
And if you get it, you get it. I got it. I don't have it saved. It's just logged in. So.
Yeah, same. Yeah, I couldn't. If I lost it, I wouldn't be able to get back in.
Yeah, me too.
But I don't understand. Like, he posted on his stories, or?
Yeah, stories.
Yeah.
Come on,
Ooh.
gold. See now, the 30-minute candle, the previous one on gold, it closed a doji, right?
Mm.
So what I'm going to do is, now this is like a test. I'm going to see if this really works because I've been watching this happen a lot of times. So maybe like hide it. So base the current 30-minute candle, base it off of the previous one, which was bullish. So if this goes up, then that means the previous candle was a doji, and that was a like a time wasting candle. Yeah, nothing candle.
I mean, the wick didn't even exceed the previous candle either, downways.
Yeah, exactly.
So I wouldn't really pay any attention to that.
Yeah. How much did you lose before becoming profitable trader? It's not about how much you have to lose before becoming profitable. It's about how soon can you understand that, okay, all it takes is to show up to the charts at the same time every day and focus on 1 or 2 trades. You know, so you should never think that, okay, maybe I have to lose this much, or this guy has lost this much. So then, you know, like Ted, he never blew an account. I blew 3 accounts, right? Both are profitable. 1 blew accounts, 1 didn't blow accounts.
I got close, man.
Yeah, see, there's Chris Monty.
Yeah, I got close. I didn't blow it, but I was about 85%. But lost. That was a long way back.
Yeah.
But that's the thing. Then it's consistency, patience, doing the same shit, and you eventually get back there. But in that time, that was a big learning period. So 85% get back to where I was, and now I'm all right.
That's good.
And that's because I was following signals, actually.
Oh.
That's why. Because I was naive when I was young. Too lazy.
Innocent.
Yep. I was just like, yeah, man, I'll just copy these people. I'm going to make millions, you know. No, not today.
We've all been through that path, man.
Yeah, bro, you know. Oh, I learned a lot, to be fair, but I'll definitely not do that again.
Chris, how long you been trading?
Like fully for myself, probably about 7 years now. Yeah, 7 years, and business-wise, probably about 4.5. About 4.5 now for business, but for my own personal learning, about 7, 8 years. But at the start, I probably spent 4 years until I took it serious. Like actually tried to pay attention. I was just trying to find an easy, quick route to make money. You know.
So did you find it?
My hell yeah. Hell yeah.
He sold kidney.
Wow. No, that was the thing. I mean, it's getting the information from when I was young. There wasn't really that much around.
Yeah.
Like, I think, like Ted was saying, it's like school and stuff, the internet and stuff was completely different when I was at school, and we didn't learn about information technology and stuff like that because it weren't important. But yeah, you know, you got to do your background work. You got to go and do things with pen and papers and libraries. So yeah, took a little bit longer, but I'm all right now. And then with this as well, moving from my longer term strategies to this style of stuff, this is the kind of thing, this stream is what should have been around, goddamn, 7 years ago.
Yeah. Would save so much money, man.
Yeah, it's just the time as well. And because you can sit and talk to people or send messages to people that know, and you get an answer, whether you like it or not, whether it's right or wrong, but you don't have to agree with everyone. But it's nice to be able to have that platform to talk
exchange ideas, right?
Yeah, man. That platform to be able to speak and air your opinion makes a big difference, especially building your own confidence. If your idea, for example, is the same as someone else's or someone agrees with it, it's good.
Oh, wow. Vantage really sent me in a loop over here. I ordered 15,000 to my bank account. It came. Bank rejected it. So I was like, okay. And then I was like, okay, so I'm just going to withdraw via Skrill. I did that. And then Vantage said, I can't withdraw via Skrill because I deposited via bank account. I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
And then Skrill got rejected. And then I got an email overnight saying that the bank wire has been approved.
Yeah. I mean, I've done that before because with my withdrawals, I can only take it out the same way I put it in.
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Kind of do money laundering and shit. So that's kind of I think that's the rule. So I've had that before. Where I've tried to take it back up to my card instead of like a bank transfer, and they said no, and I've like just given them my money. It's like, why not? But that's the rule.
Fellas,
Oh,
Morning, Simon.
good
What's
morning.
up, man? What's up?
I got out of gold. It broke the previous 15-minute low,
Uh-huh.
so I closed my gold positions.
Yeah, I hope no one took sales on GJ.
Gold looks like shit today.
Yeah.
Doing nothing.
Yeah, I was hoping this wouldn't break the low and then the 1 hour will continue moving bullish. So I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah,
And GCAT stopped me out and then it flew.
yeah. Don't be playing with selling GJ. Not. That would have bust a lot of people up. How long do you 40 then, Simon?
Ne- uh, 2021, I think.
2021. Yeah, that's all right.
So I'm holding on to these 30s.
Yeah, bro, same.
Well, you better hold on to those 30s.
Yeah,
It's gonna pass away.
I've not got long left now.
Listen, 40s are the new 20s, don't worry.
You're gonna start getting bald and
No.
Bro, what do you mean start? I started that when I was like mid-20s.
I got a good thick set of hair on me.
Yeah, I've got nice teeth. My teeth are good.
Should last.
It's just my hair's not good.
You can just go to Egypt, I think it is, where everybody's going. Put some hair on, come back.
I get some new hair. Yeah, I could probably
Yeah.
do that. To treat myself.
I think it's like 2K or 3K.
That'd be awesome.
Probably could have stayed in that gold trade.
Patel Curry's in the house.
do you think we're not coming to resistance on gold? If you look on the 1 hour, like explained it before, that this 1 hour needs to flip because there was a clean move that came down. So I was expecting it to continue up. Well, I closed what I did, but like I still think it's going to go up because it was a clean move down. This area I'm not taking into consideration because if this was something of importance, this candle coming down would have reacted to it. So it didn't. So that's my bias on gold.
Yeah, I had some sales at 1477 this morning.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, good work.
It's basically like if you look on the 4 hour, it was just like a break and a retest on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
And it was funny. I entered, and then literally 2 minutes after I entered, there was a news report about deal close, and it dropped.
Timing, good timing.
Well, you can
Perfect
guarantee there's going to
timing.
be a report every morning, whether it's good or bad.
There we go, gold.
Yeah, I see gold may continue push.
Rakeel, I've seen that the 1 hour, 80% of the time they wake of the previous 15. I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, I'm going to re-enter if it shows me signs.
Maybe it was because he was just making the wick for the 1 hour.
Yes.
Yeah, but they tend to like go below the previous 50-minute wick when they're doing the 1 hour wick.
Yeah, if it's a small 15-minute, probably.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not gone lower than that previous doji on the 30-minute as well, which is kind of,
Yeah.
that's nice, man.
Yeah, it should come to 1477.50 at least.
Yeah, I'm holding
Did it
mine.
break the hour?
Well, you can also put a buy stop above the previous 1 hour wick.
Yep.
Five and a half. It's not a bad place.
Where it's going.
Yeah, this should continue.
Let's see if Raja is right and it doesn't react to the zone to the left.
Yeah, I'm gonna bet on myself. I think it's gonna continue up.
Yeah, I like your thinking when you said how the bearish ones come through that zone and done nothing. That's, yeah, shows it's not as important.
Which level? The one it's right now?
Yeah, kind of, just a bit higher.
This level you're talking about?
Yeah, kind of just in there.
Mm-hmm.
But Rada said, because the way he saw it, because of the bearish candle, how it's come down through it and kind of did nothing there, it may not make much difference.
Well, Raja.
Hey.
You're telling us to watch the most recent action, so we're looking at the clean traffic to the left. If we're looking at the most recent.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's basically this is what you're looking at, like this candle, that went down clean. Now, the support has been formed, 1 hour close making a higher high and a higher low. Then this one has made a higher low now, and 30-minute candle is about to close. Well, it's going to close in 15 minutes. So if the 30-minute candle closes and the 1 hour candle is still bullish, that means that the 1 hour has created a higher low. Then all it needs to create is a higher high after that. So then you can expect the 30-minute candle to continue moving bullish after this one closes bullish. And that would be the higher high on the 1 hour candle.
Yeah, we now have to see the new 15-minute.
Yeah. They can expect this to go boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, the targets like this, first, second.
What news we got today? I've not looked yet.
Not much, man.
No, I'm just having a look now.
Trade balance.
Oh yeah, there's some US news. Yeah, not.
Yeah, nothing high impact.
Yeah. I mean, they could move some of it. But...
Well, gold should go up because.
You have got Fed speech later. That's not important, but you never know.
Oh wow, what's this? Gold 4 hour. Based on the price action in 4 hour, my bias is bearish for the day. Looking for sells under 1472. Yep, this is perfect. So you're looking for sells under 1472 and your target is down over here. This makes perfect sense. So you're waiting for this support to be broken then. Buys above 1478. See, now this is a well thought out chart. This is what I like. This is something you look at and you can learn something from it. When people send fucking charts like
junk.
Yeah, where was this? Oh, I'm pretty sure a chart like that is coming.
I will get another one.
Very good chart. Very good chart.
Very good.
Do you know what though? I'm looking at the daily and it looks like a booby trap candle.
The closure of the 4 hours. A little bit.
It looks like this one is gonna go up. It's retesting that level to the left.
Yeah.
And looks like
yeah, you're right.
So maybe it can even break this level if there's enough volatility.
Yes. Exactly. Gold looks down. It's going to flip, sir. Be careful. Well, you can send a chart with your analysis, and that's perfect. But unless this support holds, gold is not flipping. For gold to break below, it needs to break below 1473, 1472. So, when you talk about gold will break support when it hasn't broken support, that is wrong. Can't do that.
Are people saying that it's gonna go down? Like, don't see anything that shows.
Yeah,
gold
that's the thing.
going
If
down.
you put not an argument, but if you could put a chart and say why you think
Yeah.
it makes a big difference, man. I mean, I wasn't keen on the way the 4-hour close, to be fair, but that's just my opinion. Because obviously it's closed below the previous, it could potentially go further down. But like you said, you've got to break this support before that happens.
Because people trade off of hopes. You know, how many times I said, I hope it goes down. I hope it goes down just because, when you're a new trader, you just trade off of hope instead of the candles.
Yeah, I just do that.
Please explain what made you close the trade. The 15-minute, I think it was early close, shouldn't have closed it. When this 15-minute broke the low of the previous one, I exited. So I think I should have stayed in, but whatever. I can always re-enter.
Mm-hmm.
So we are looking for a break, retest, continuation either way. No, not we. Me.
Well,
I am. Take a look at. Ooh, EJ is reaching here.
It'll be interesting to see how GJ closes on the 30-minute.
GJ's just ranging.
Yeah, on the close of the 30-minute, if we can get below.
What the fuck is GCAT doing?
GCAT is also
What is
ranging.
that?
Yeah.
Do your back tests confirm that it sometimes dips down like that, usually, right? Or, I don't know. I mean, I usually wait for the 30 minutes to break, but I think this was a, what's the word? This was a miscalculation. That was it. I try not to overthink about a lot of stuff. I don't overthink stuff at all. Sup y'all, how stop loss hunting is doing? I don't know.
I've not hit stop loss for a little while.
Yeah. Fatima Begum, GJ seller buys, please. GJ is ranging.
0.
GJ is neither a sell nor a buy. It's ranging right now.
Shit, man, you see them fires in Australia? I've just been looking at the news. Big fires.
What's this? Your USD, arrow going up. What about your entry? What about your exit?
What about what you were talking about?
Yeah, see, I told you, a retarded chart is coming.
Yep, you need some words on it.
I mean, look at this, and look at this. Big difference. On the GJ chart, when do you think it's a good time to enter? Can you show us, please? Well, Brug TV, on GJ, there is no time to enter right now. A good time to enter would be that if, when we go to the 1 hour, and we zoom out, a good time to enter is going to be that once price breaks below this support, and you can see a bearish candle forming on the 30-minute or the 1 hour, then you can say that, okay, now there's a high chance for price to come down. And when price comes down, you start to look left. You see this big ass candle, then you're like, okay, now price may mirror this candle coming down. But obviously there's going to be some sort of a roadblock. So first roadblock you see is somewhere over here. This will be your first area of interest. When price starts to come down, maybe this is where you start to put stops at break even and stuff. But you need confirmations first. So you'll need a bearish candle forming, which will break support, and that's going to open the road for the next candles to continue moving down, right? So we will also call this candle a gladiator candle, because this candle did what other candles couldn't do. But if for some reason price breaks above this resistance, which it has like for this week, then you can anticipate the next candles to continue moving further up. But I wouldn't take a buy over here when candles start to move up. I'd rather wait for price to come down, create a support, and then continue going up. That's what I would do.
Yep.
Because it has already gone way up, so it's very highly unlikely that price will continue to shoot back up again. No. So I'd wait for a retest for a continuation. But if price breaks support, I would expect like a no retest and just straight move down.
That's what I was kind of hoping for this 30-minute to finish bearish.
Yeah.
Not strongly. Just it might give you that option. But I think you're right. I think it's just going to sit and chill there now for a bit.
Yeah, so that's how I am looking at GJ currently. So right now, currently there's no trade, but that's what I'm anticipating. So I draw a line at the bottom and a line at the top, and I write the words ranging. This reminds me that there's no trade on GJ. And I'm also going to go ahead and write goat shit, because no one wants to step in goat shit, right? Yeah, so no trade over here.
Goat shit and thorns, that's it.
Yeah, goat shit and thorns. One thorn over here and one thorn over here. Goat shit.
Oh, how we amuse ourselves in the day. It's just pass the time until we get a trade.
So silly.
Such a child.
Yeah.
Hey, how'd that suit go, man?
Very good.
You look good.
Yeah, thank you. Suit went very good.
You're nice colour.
Yeah, I told the guy, listen, man, I have zero fashion sense. I don't wear suits at all. And I want to get something quick.
Yeah, you look smart. I like that.
First thing you brought it, I'm like, all right, let's try it and buy it.
Yeah, that's not me shopping for clothes, man. It's like, yeah, that'll do. Yeah. First thing, I just want to get out there most of the time.
Doji formed on GJ 4-hour. Well, that is false, because the 4-hour hasn't closed yet.
Yeah, not yet.
So there is no doji formed. Anyone else want to come to Vegas and party?
Yes, please. Send me a ticket. I'll be there.
Maybe in February I can come, Iron Man.
I was gonna say, are they buying?
I'll do it for my birthday in March.
All right, 30 minutes about to close on gold. Come on, give me a bullish close. Do you have your own private group teaching stuff besides the live stream? Can I pay for it? I don't want to toot my own horn, but you can do your own digging on that.
Homework.
Yeah, you can do your own homework. I mean, if you could come to the stream, you can probably go to the description and
just go to the Instagram.
Come on.
Instagram speech.
Yeah, but like, the thing is, the one thing that really puts me off is that when people can't do that simple analysis and kind of figure that out themselves, And I talk to a lot of people, and a lot of people, like, they ask me like simple questions of joining, and I sometimes tell them no because of the questions, like, they start asking, like how many how many people are in your group? Do you give signals? How many do you give in a day? I'm like, yeah, no, sorry, it's not for you. Yeah.
Yeah, if you're looking for signals.
So
Man.
Roger teaches
Not
you
the
how
way
to
to
find
go.
your own signals.
Yeah. Whenever
You
I
have-
see like a small hint of someone who might be looking for signals or really have had their hand held, I just say no to them. Like this week I said no to 5 people.
Well, they can just watch the stream and they can get like signals live.
Yeah, live. Seriously, I had one loss
It's
just
free
right there.
though. It's free.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck signals.
Why is that a roadblock on GJ and on gold it isn't? Well, because on gold it is kind of like over here.
Because they're not the same charts.
Yeah, I think 1476 is kind of like a roadblock on a 30-minute. Oh, there you go, 30-minute close bullish. So, now if we hide this candle over here, like this.
Yeah, good. Because it didn't exceed the previous, and the wick didn't reach.
Yeah. So now this current one should go up like this and create a lower wick. But it shouldn't break the low of the previous 30-minute candle. Because if price is going to go up, it should go up like, making higher highs and higher lows. And that's how candles move, making higher highs and higher lows. Someone isn't in a good mood today. Oh, I'm in a really good mood today. What do you mean? I'm always in a good mood.
Yeah, man, it's been a good week so far.
Yeah, it's been a really good week.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Oh, come on, gold.
Yeah, gold, come on.
Yeah, I didn't.
Are you in, Raja?
Are we still waiting? No, I'm just kidding. I'm already in.
No, I took a re-entry at 1475.36.
Oh yeah, we basically have the same entry.
Oh, nice.
It's time for you to draw one of your magic.
Come on, GJ, do something. I see you. Draw a magic candle on GJ, please.
I was looking at that. I said about that 30-minute close, and I don't know because it closed in long with the previous 30-minute. I'm not keen yet.
But it's still close bullish on M30, so for me it's like
that's it. Yeah,
The 1 hour is
Oh,
hitting hard.
GJ's ranging
yeah, that's
hard.
the thing. I'm not keen yet.
Come on, gold.
I got my gold stops at break even right now.
Good work.
The only reason I have him at break even is because I'm up 5 pips. I've lost 5 pips. So the worst thing I want to do is for gold to, come down and take another loss.
Winch you out.
Yeah, so it's at break even, so that means that position is safe. The best that's going to happen, gold's going to go up and I'm going to close in profits. The worst that's going to happen is it's going to stop me out at break even. So it's kind of like, let me put it up over here. 75, 36. Yeah, somewhere over here.
It's close.
Yeah, so it's better to hit it at break even rather than a loss because I've already had one loss. How to send charts to you on MT4? You can watch the video in the description, and that's gonna show you how to send charts.
Morning, boys.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Haven't gotten a chance to trade yet. I'm on a drive.
Nice.
Try to be profitable.
Were you driving, big man?
Just driving some clients up to JFK Airport.
Oh, nice.
Going back and checking out the charts right now. Kind of hard to trade and drive.
Yeah,
just a little bit.
That's not drink driving.
Come on, gold. Push. Yeah. Pull. Boom. Gold has reached a little pit stop right here at 1476.
I'll call it more stepping stone.
Yes.
The jump pad, bounce pad.
Yeah, I used my magic calculator to close half of the position here. That magic keypad, I pressed the button, it closed half.
Damn. That's such a cool thing, dude.
That's so cool, man. You press
Yeah,
one button.
Yeah, always wanted that whole partial close thing. Always.
I think GJ's about to give us a sell opportunity here. It's starting to. The M15 just dropped.
Rakeel, are those things on the market, or you just had like a friend make one for you?
I wanted one. I was looking for someone to create a script on MT5, so I ran into this guy from Italy, and he was a very good programmer, and he told me he's working on something like that. So it's kind of like we partnered on this project.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
My buddy works at Best Buy, and he talked to some of the guys in the Geek Squad, and they said it's pretty simple thing that they could put together with like a keyboard or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
How much do they charge? Did you find out?
No, I'll find out if you guys are interested. I'm kind of interested.
Yeah, if the price is right.
The hard part is to
Exactly.
remapping the keys, because I think the way it's done is like you create hotkeys on MetaTrader, and then you remap them on the keyboard, because the keyboard is pre-programmed to use the keys on a normal keyboard.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the hard part. Well, I don't even
I
know.
remember seeing your story the other day, and I was like, "What the fuck? That's awesome."
Yeah.
I messaged him, said, "Don't put that on there unless you're gonna sell me one. I'm gonna drive up there and steal it from you."
Oh, we're almost at 10 pips here. Come on, gold.
Yeah, boy. I'm still holding it, man.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Good.
Then close at 9 pips.
Just gonna pop up. 10 pips. Shoot it.
Come on, gold. Oh, push it. Oh, we're almost 10 pips.
Oh boy. What's your target, Rakeel? Like this, or you gonna hold it till the end?
Yeah, I mean, if it comes to 76.50, I mean, that's good enough.
Mm-hmm.
Are you
But
gonna
if
close something?
it goes up there.
Oh, we closed some already, didn't you, mate?
Yeah, like I've secured half the position. I'm just letting this.
Already.
Yeah.
Nice. Smart dude.
Yeah. There you go. I got 10 pips there.
Beautiful trade, Roger.
Well, for
Beautiful trade.
for people who've been here since before and didn't close gold buy is very nice.
Yeah.
Thank
I mean,
you,
that was.
thank you.
You're
I
sticking
got
to
11
the plan of closing early.
Yeah, I didn't close the last position, but got out at 9 pips. Oh,
Nice. Yeah.
it was a nice push though.
Yeah.
I'm really calm with 9 pips in the bag, and I want to play with gold.
Yeah. See, right now you should be putting stops at break even and securing positions and letting a runner.
Right.
Yeah. Never know with gold.
Yeah, exactly. You never know his goal.
Yeah.
Yes, it's important to secure positions. That happened to me on GJ buys, where I was like in 9 pips in profit, and then it came all the way down, hit my stop loss.
Yeah.
And I was mad. I was mad as fuck.
EJ
It was
was
my,
also quite
it was
good,
my
man.
mistake.
So whoever got these gold buys on the YouTube stream, give a like. I see that 3 people gave a thumbs down because I think they sold gold. So they
They don't have the right psychology.
yeah.
Oh, that's true. That plays a big part, because when you're in a position, man, you get anxiety. I want to close this shit. Oh shit, I'm in a drawdown. Oh, I'm gonna lose money.
Yeah,
And then it goes your way.
That just means it's 3 snowflakes in a room. That's all.
Oh, GJ is still ranging here.
Yeah, I ain't touching GJ at the minute. I missed my
Oh, nice. Look at this. Mitch held it. Very nice.
Dang.
Stops at break even. TP1 reached. Perfect.
Yeah, that's good work.
Great work. That's the highlight of today.
It's still early days yet, man. I reckon we'll pull a bigger one out of the bag.
With what? Everything is raging right now.
Patient. Be patient. It's a good start.
Oh, what's this? Seeing a clear downtrend on gold, possible lower high, seeing strong support at 1480 trend resistance. Yep, this daily here makes perfect sense. But at the same time, you got this area here which you've drawn right over here. That area there. So I mean, now this is the range that gold's in. This is the range, and this range is going to be broken with NFP tomorrow. Yeah.
That would not surprise me.
So basically, we're just trading within this big range, you know, and I think this range will get broken in NFP.
I agree.
See, the 15-minute candle is about to close. 15-minute candle is closing bullish, making higher highs and higher lows. So you can expect the next one to also make a low and then continue up, or before the NY Open might retrace down. So because NY Open is going to bring in more volume, and I would say that volume should continue pushing it towards 1477.
Yeah, I think so too.
And it feels good when you have a position right in break even and you just want to let it ride.
Yeah.
Because no zero drawdown and it's free. It's basically riskless.
Yeah, it's a free shot, man. Yeah.
Oh, re-entry on EuroJPY. I don't know. EuroJPY is ranging. I mean, it's just in a range. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of EuroJPY. This is a 10 pip range. So it needs to break this resistance to continue to your take profit.
Yeah, I'm gonna make coffee. I'm bored right now.
Yeah, I'll go get coffee too. There's some time here.
You have chai, Rakeel?
No, coffee.
Okay.
You know what I'm having now, Raja?
What?
Good ki chai with lemongrass.
Oh, good ki chai.
Arey Ninad! Where have you been, bro?
Hey, Ninad. What a time.
You've been
How are you,
hiding,
bro?
silently making money.
Oh, nice.
I
Buckets.
am making money so I can blow like dead money.
How are you, Ninad? Everything good?
Yeah, it's good. Everything good, man.
Nice.
Thanks, man.
How are you? How are you?
Everything great, man.
Yeah.
Fine.
Oh, gold, come on.
Go. Come on, gold. Come on.
You took gold, Ninad.
I should have left the runner. Fuck.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Alright, I'm securing majority over here now. This is great.
Yeah, this is the area.
Oh, that was beautiful. Beautiful.
12 pips.
Yep, I just closed it. Take my money and run.
Smart.
Hit and run.
I should have stayed in the first trade because I just man, it was perfect. It was perfect.
What was the first trade? The 1 hour?
Yes.
I think you can get in now. If this closes anywhere where it is now, then a retest on the 1 hour.
Yeah. I guess we're gonna retest. No.
I think if we see it go back down
1
to that
hour
143, it's probably gonna blow through.
Boom.
Yeah, because you got 1, two hits already at 140, 1477.
Yeah, but you got 15 minutes left. I mean,
True.
would easily go to this area.
Normally after 2 to 3 touches, I like to wait until something happens. Look at GJ, there it goes.
It's at the zone.
It has to close under the.
Is this going to be a fake out?
I think GJ is gonna go back to 75.
Oh, damn, I missed it. Oh, well, too late.
Should have put us.
Oh, wait, well.
On to the next one.
GJ is looking like a nice setup.
Yeah.
Yep.
See, this motherfucker closed like 2 minutes before the 50-minute would close. He's like, hey, 50 minutes gonna close. Let's have boom, boom.
I wish Raj would stream longer and wait till the NY session opens. He always turns stream off sometimes. Then no, the stream goes on. I think this is your first day here, and you're just making a assumption. Man, the stream goes on for a long time. Oh, gold is pushing. Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, baby.
Oh. Man, there are some people here who don't believe in scalping. Why? We do it every day.
Every motherfucking day.
I got in at 1475.72. 1475.72. TP is at 1478.90. It says my TP is 3 pips away. How's that possible? I don't know. You have to look at your chart and see how is that possible. Look at the torch account. Okay, I've seen it. Now, will this 15-minute push down on GJ?
Sure.
We want to see a retest of that support though on the 15-minute, right?
Well, sometimes GA doesn't retest; it just goes.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta take your chances.
So the only reason why I want to take it is because the candles are clean to the left.
Yes.
I also want like a retest, so it's like.
But it closed below all the previous 15-minute lows.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't know if it's gonna be a fake out.
Right, that's what I said before.
We're in an uptrend, so.
But it's not a fake out unless it happens.
Yeah,
True.
totally.
Yes,
That's the thing.
it's about taking chances.
So you can do two things. Either you can take a sell on GJ or you can leave GJ alone.
What about wait till the next candle?
Oh yeah, you can do that. Leaving gold alone, or are you thinking about hopping back in? No, gold trade has gone. This was a gold trade. We talked through the gold trade as it developed and as it came up. Hey, who's playing that music?
Oh, I love that song, man.
Yes, it's good.
I forgot to mute myself.
EJ, man, it was really good.
Oh, I think I know why Mitch entered. I think he entered on this 30-minute candle that closed bullish, right? Right.
With that's correct. That's what I did.
Yeah. Nice.
But then you said something. Then you said something about a range, and then you're right. I mean, it is pretty small, but that shape is what I.
The buy signals.
What?
God damn, come on. Someone was talking, man.
Yeah, man.
You talked over somebody. God.
No
Wow.
respect, man.
No etiquettes.
Oh man, this is the live stream. There's no etiquette here.
Speak or hold your peace.
Yo, so I'll go for coffee and break the zone.
Oh, we can also put a sell stop
yeah.
below this candle, the previous candle,
Yeah, GJ, it's going to continue here.
like in.
I saw GJ on that upwick when it wicked up.
Yes, me too.
Yes, nice retest.
Yes, got it.
You sold it right too?
Yeah, I entered at 142.967.
Oh, nice.
Damn, you got a nicer. Yeah, I jumped in right at the close of the previous 15.
Like four,
How does
four,
sell
5
stop
pips.
below?
So, since I missed these buys, I'm waiting for this to come down here and a bullish candle, and I take buys on the way back up.
Oh, nice.
Very good.
Yeah, looks
Yeah, I had-
nice. Looks
I had
nice.
five
GJ looks
stops
nice.
set above the zone for like the last hour, almost 2 hours, and it just did not want to go in my direction. So the second I saw this breakdown, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna jump in.
What did... Roger, did you make coffee as well? Or not?
No, I never went. I stayed here.
Oh,
Because gold started moving, and then GJ started moving.
Oh, did gold move too? Oh my god.
You didn't check it.
GJ looks nice.
Yeah, I'm being very careful today. I'm taking small profits here and there.
That's annoying.
Chris, thanks for the picture, Chris.
What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Good.
I didn't know that was your side hustle.
Yeah, I stitch up mobsters and gangsters on the weekends.
Oh damn.
Two.
Ooh, someone took profits on gold on minor resistance right here. Perfect. That's great.
GJ, because we've got no top wick on a 30-minute. Well, I haven't on mine, or it's
Yeah.
very, very small. Does that not give you a potential? Because it's overall, I see it's bullish.
Yeah, I closed GJ
Yeah, could be a potential. Fake.
for 4 or 5 pips. I mean, I'm being very cautious today.
Yeah. I see it's this.
Right. Is there something going on that we're not aware of?
No, I'm just not confident at all, except for gold.
Yeah, but you close with profit, so that's good.
Yes. Ooh, we got
Oh,
out.
we got out. Because you're going against that big. You're taking sell against that big bullish move.
No, but like my sells were all based on like if this candle closes bearish, then there's a clean move down till 142.80, right? So I mean, now price broke below. Now for sells to continue, you would want some sort of rejections under 143, and that's going to substantiate your idea for price to continue down to 142.800.
Yeah.
You know, because the 30-minute candle is about to close in 6 minutes. It needs to close. If it closes below 143 and the 15-minute creates a resistance, then there's a high chance for the 30-minute to go bearish and fill this wick and continue to 142.800.
So this is my plan. and I see it happen all the time.
Hmm.
If we come down, I'm sorry, I'm an annotator on my phone. If we come down and we got a bullish close in this area, I'm gonna take buys because I know we're gonna push back up in that range.
I was looking at the 4 hour, you see. I just see this placement before. It's just so bullish overall on the 4 hour. I could see this being a fake out.
Yeah, because there's no way that we're gonna take out all those bullish candles. Like it's just a pullback to go higher.
But this pullback could go at least to 8.5.
Oh yeah,
that was the previous 4 hour top wick. That's my target.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. That makes sense.
Gold is about to drop. Just be careful.
And also we're having the 1 hour close, so
Yeah. Just be careful.
that's gonna wick up.
Raja,
Hey.
may I know what is the best trade to trade in Asian session? Asian.
So what you're gonna find is in the month of December, Asian session is gonna have very low volume. Because we're moving into the months when there's less activity happening in institutions, banks, and funds, etc. So there's going to be less orders being placed, less there's going to be very, very less movement. So there's going to be low volume, which also means the candles are going to be like smaller in terms of pips. So when you're talking about time, the best time to trade an Asian session is, I'd say, like pre-Asian, like 6:30 p.m. Eastern to like 9 p.m. Eastern. That's a really good time. I mean, you get like 1 or 2 good moves, and that's about it. But I've stopped trading Asian session for December because
Hello?
Hello. Hey man, you got to fix your thing over there.
Is that the reason you stopped, Roger? Because the volume?
Yeah, off the volume, and also because I got occupied with some family stuff too.
Yeah.
So it couldn't have came at a better time. So now a lot of people are going to try to take sells on GJ. I took sells, I closed. I'm not in anything right now. But you would want a bearish candle forming on the 15-minute for a confirmation for it to continue down.
You got to watch that hour as well, open.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially now.
Yeah.
So it could just be a fake up for like grabbing orders to go further up because I just see it so bullish right now overall. It could come back down a bit, but
Yeah, but if it closes above 97,
I think
on the 1 hour, it's a fake out because it couldn't close below that previous 1 hour lows.
Yes.
I see exactly the same thing. So look at the weekly, man. It's just flying.
I hear someone dropping orders.
Oh no, man! I'll just move stop loss on something.
Oh.
1 minute. 1 minute.
I know I'm holding my breath.
Can you explain the bullish candle? There is no bullish candle. If this could be like a retest, so you'd need the next candle to form bearish to then take sells. Just kind of gonna wait.
I'll put a sell stop below them, just in case.
Yeah. Oh, someone
That
sent
would be a nice retest.
Yeah.
There it goes.
I'll just put a sell stop at the bottom of the previous 30.
Oh, there's a New York Open. Little gold push up. Look at that nice 1 hour candle, man. 1 hour candle has cleared all this speed bumps to the left.
No more thorns.
Yeah, so it's going to continue up towards 1477.50 here very shortly. See you later.
You holding?
That was a good trade.
Let's take a look here. Oh, what's this? Broke both supports. TP is trendline hit. Rejected this key support. Nice. So it looks like your TP is above 1, 2, 3 resistance levels. Perfect. Perfect. I got in, have stops below the 15-minute candle like always. I figured once we had a second push, it was a solid drop. Well, I think your statement is wrong, Mike Smith. You said you got in. Your stops are below the 15-minute candle, which means you're in buys. And then you said it was solid to drop.
Gold.
Oh, wow, gold. Oh.
That's a cracking work. That's good work, man.
That's TP hit on gold.
Yeah, nice work. Now you're looking at when you did that thing with the whole doji candle.
Yeah.
That makes sense, man.
Oh boy.
Yeah, see, the doji candle was just time-wasting candles.
Yep. And also because that wick didn't go below the previous candle. I
Yeah.
didn't like that idea.
Exactly.
That's good work.
Oh, wow, look at that. See, so this information here, it doesn't really matter because we had a clean move down.
Don't make sense.
Don't make sense.
Don't make sense.
Plus,
Don't make sense.
plus you gotta be, plus you have to trust yourself and you have to bet on yourself before betting on someone else. You know.
Nice trade, rakeel.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Another win for the day.
Right, how do I like the stream twice?
What's up, man? Ugh.
Nice.
GJ didn't do nothing on the open.
That was perfect.
See,
See,
is probably retesting.
if people on YouTube have gotten the gold trade, this was the trade for the day.
Yeah.
Any suggestions as to best system to learn Forex? Seth Greston, I think you are at the right place. This place right here, this stream, this is the world's best Forex stream. Trust me. I can't even make that shit up. I mean,
And it's free.
and it's free, yeah.
The best and the only.
Damn, look at gold go. Dang, I should have held that trade.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Oh, shoulda, woulda, coulda. Exactly.
Yeah. I closed that at my 10 pips and I was like, yeah, I'm done.
Target, that's good. Nothing wrong with that. It's always nice to think you could have held it open, but if your target's 10 pips, then you're done, man. It's cool.
Wow.
It's gonna fly. It's gonna go. That 4 hour is gonna proper engulf the previous candles, and then it will dump for NFP.
Yeah, because of the, like, when you look at the daily, it looks like it's gonna go up.
We're calling trades like cutting cars. I don't even know what that means, but it sounds cool.
Dang, there it goes. Wow.
Oh wow.
Wow.
God damn.
God damn.
And you've got a Wakar 14200 cross on the 4 hour.
Is that an indicator?
Banned.
That's dynamic.
No, I
Dynamic.
remember when
No
Wakar
comment.
joined and he brought these EMAs and we're like, what the fuck is he doing with these EMAs? And then he'd post his trades making 1,000 here, 2,000 there. We're like, oh shit, okay.
Yeah, pay attention to that.
Yeah, but hey, now see, this is the target reached perfectly.
It's gonna break.
Oh man, if it breaks, bye bye gold. How's that daily candle doing? Oh, booby trap candle.
Told you it's moving. Gonna shoot up now.
Just paying attention to GJ just in
I'm
case.
so mad that I didn't hold and just closed.
Oh, GJ, look at that.
Oh shit.
That was a retest. It's gonna continue down.
Bell stops activated.
Yeah.
I mean,
Where do you have your sell stop?
Below the 15 minutes. Below the last 15 minutes. So it's in profit now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I had my
Guessing
entry
your
at
stops
9.5.
around 143.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that 5 minute.
Previous 15 minute with no wick.
Preview 15 minute was not weak.
Oh, hang on. Is it 15 minutes? Yeah, 15 minutes, 2 candles ago. I've got no wick on the top of mine, or very little. At 40.
Tell me the price.
Hang on.
Oh, someone else took sells on GJ too.
43.05.
43. Oh man.
So I'll use that as my stop
yeah,
loss.
there's no traffic, so it's gonna die.
And then my entry
Hopefully.
94. So
Yeah,
now
I had 95.
yeah, so 4 pips in now. 5. Come on.
Now, would that be too late to get a sell in?
We just went below the previous
Yeah.
minute candle.
Yeah, I wouldn't take it now myself, just on the
Yeah,
basis.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could twist back real quick, but
It won't be too late, but you'll have to identify your stop.
yeah, that's
Real
sorry.
quick.
Exactly.
So that's a very, very quick decision you have to make sometimes.
Come on, baby.
Oh, gold is running.
I told you it's gonna break it.
Okay, gold is gonna go higher.
Oh, and GJ is gonna go lower.
Yeah, it makes sense. You know, you have two safe haven. Each one is on the other side. So.
Come on, GJ.
No, GJ is not a safe haven.
The yen.
Yen.
Let's not do this whole correlation thing again, man.
Okay.
Yeah, but like yen safe haven, it works in the Asian session, not in New York session.
Yep.
This move down on GJ is just a correction
Pound
from
losing.
those big moves up.
Yeah, this is pound stuff.
Boring stuff.
Yeah, so taking GJ buys here would be not a good idea.
Yeah, I'd struggle. I wouldn't like that.
Come on, drop a little bit.
Gold is gonna break.
So that's 4. I'll break even now, so
I'm still in for my first trade. Held
Yeah.
that little pullback.
yeah, that's good. So I can see that I just wasn't keen. I could see it coming, but I'd rather it. I was a bit apprehensive because I opened the new hour.
Listen, you were the one who told me that if you see it, get in.
Yeah, I know, bro.
It was you, and it was yesterday.
Yeah,
It was
I mean,
yesterday.
But the thing is with timings as well, for me, I was a bit cautious because the hour open. That's the only thing. But I see the whole trade made sense. But
You know, I've just realized that the 8 o'clock 1 hour doesn't. The wick is very small. Just back tested.
Mm-hmm.
Like this 1 hour candle, normally the wick is very small or no wick at all.
Come on, GJ.
Beautiful, GJ.
You know what we did? We walked 1,000 people through the gold buys earlier on.
I'm in Euro JPY cells as well.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a nice
But
one.
Rakeel, who gave you that call, man?
Gold buys you.
Thank you.
I'm claiming the GJ one.
But you said
I was
but.
in long before you.
No, I didn't say but, man. I was long.
No,
My
yeah.
entry was 74.50.
Yeah, but
In holding.
yeah, right after you said buys, you drew this zone. You said but.
No, I said that was my first target. I got half at that area.
All right. But you know,
Everything
next.
is recorded, Rakeel.
Yes. Next time, what I'm
Raja,
gonna do? Yeah.
would you set your TP on GJ for like 142 780?
No, around like 820, 850.
Yeah, I was aiming 825.
Yeah, because as price starts to come down, you have to be aware of this area right over here.
Yeah.
You know, so this something here. So it's safe to. I mean, if you have an entry from like 980 or 970, it's better to put stops at break even because price might start to have some issues around 850, 840.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got my take profit 779. You think it's too low now?
Well, 779 is below this support. I mean, you just gotta be logical. You know, it's just
okay.
8.5 should be your first target.
It just doesn't.
8.5. There we go. 1 pip more, motherfucker.
Come on.
If you're going that low,
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, come on.
I'm claiming.
1 pip.
Where's the account looking torchy?
Torch account needs to jump on the live streams, man.
I've got some partials.
Yeah, I'll close some.
Break even, but they're on the run.
Beautiful.
Well, you just
1
got,
pip more.
if you're aiming in the 700s, you're kind of asking for it to flip go exceed.
You're asking for trouble.
That's a lot. That's a big ask.
UJ dropped as well, nicely.
I had 825 more take profit. That was nothing.
So see, we analyzed GJ beautifully before. Waited for candle to close and got some confirmations and 5 minutes was awesome.
In go to 8.5 at least.
Yeah, I think 825 might be.
No, 8.5.
8.5. Yeah.
It almost tapped into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it went to 8.6. I had my TP at 8.5. It didn't got triggered.
Oh, is that because you're spread?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
That's like something.
Man, I wish I could take a picture of this dude. This dude is walking and vlogging at the same time.
I'm like 1 pip away from my take profit on EJ. 2 pips now.
Nice.
Bag it up.
So you know, if everyone's here on the YouTube stream tomorrow, we're going to be here for NFP tomorrow.
Gambling day.
Yeah.
That's when Zoom is going to be packed. We're at, 92 participant on Zoom. We're going to be at least 150.
Yeah, it's going to be full tomorrow.
1,500 people on YouTube.
Tomorrow, if you want to watch the stream, $5.
Yep.
$5 entry charge.
Commission charge, 10% winnings.
One drink free.
So Brug TV asked a very nice question. His question is very nice. Now, at what point on the chart do we look at for a buy? Retrace back up, or is it a big bearish drop? Well, when you see this. All right, who's this guy? All right, come on. All right, so once price is moving down, and you've taken this trade moving down, this was the trade. That's it. This was the trade. Now, when you start to look for buys, then you fall into the category of overtrading. You know, and that's something you really have to keep in mind, because now let's say if someone looks at gold and they say, okay, you know, I've missed this buy on gold, I'm going to start looking for sells. That's the wrong idea, because when you see a clean move happen, you obviously got to tell yourself, okay, you know what, I've missed this move. How could I have gotten in this move? Or how did these guys take this move? And what if this happens the next time? How can I prevent myself from missing it again? You know, so you always got to look at how could I have entered this trade? Because this is going to happen over and over again. You know, I've seen this happen over and over again. That's why we did our analysis. We're like, okay, If it falls, this is where it's gonna go.
And gold may continue pushing, bro.
Yeah, this motherfucker is still going, man.
Yeah, man.
Target.
Rakeel, that's like exactly what I've been doing all week. I haven't really been able to trade as much because of my schedule, but I keep doing the replays, the recap, and it does so much. Watching that recap every day, kind of like watching film and football. It's amazing how much you catch, just even information. But next week I'm going to be so much better because of what I've seen this week.
Yeah, it does. It does. Like, I mean, it's really good. Like, now when I'm going to look back at the recap, I'm going to look at key things like how could I have not closed my gold buys earlier? And then I'd look at, like, why did I close GJ at 5 pips? So those are some things I'm going to look at. So, like, going through those recaps, I mean, it really helps you a lot.
Yeah, you've always said it, and now I'm like really doing it, and it's awesome.
Yeah, I do it on a daily thing.
Again, it's just like studying film in any kind of sport. Get so much better at it.
Scalping is not consistently profitable. Mr. Minter? Mr. Minter. Oh, I think he's I'm not gonna. I think he's just trolling.
Yeah, I disagree.
Yeah. See, this is a new 15 ring kind of started on GJ.
The Vic.
Ooh, nice.
Can do that right.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go.
Don't forget to put the GJ cell on there too.
All right,
on your
man.
trades called.
Don't forget that.
Yes. Yeah, when I forget to write my loss down, people always say, "Oh, you didn't put your loss down." When I forget to put my win down, no one says anything.
Was always trying to call people.
Yeah. According to Raja and Ted, scalping is consistently profitable. It's a hard. I mean, scalping is not profitable if you are looking for more than 3 trades a day. Scalping is very, very, very profitable if you're only looking for 1 or 2 trades a day.
But it's a style. You have people who trade with algos. That's a style. You have people who swing trade. That's a style. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a style.
Yeah.
And it also goes with your personality.
Yeah, I think it's more so about like really understanding why the candles are moving in what ways. Right? Like if we saw here, this was support here, so it just made no logical sense to take a trade. And when the candle broke down, saw the microstructure clean candle to the left, which makes a higher probability for a continuation move down to this area, and that made logical sense.
So I took that sell right at the close of the 15 and added on the second when it retraced.
Oh, nice.
That was
You're a gambler, Roman.
I know, right? Mr. Get It Done.
You're only going to be risking profit, so it's not a...
Man, gold was amazing.
Yeah, that's a good trade.
You're welcome, Rakeel. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I just like the way we discussed the doji candle and stuff. That was cool.
Yeah, that nothing candle.
Yeah, that's interesting. If you
See,
add it, it's good.
Yeah, here's a little exercise, for people who think that dojis are signs of reversals. If we do, oh man, gotta get a new fucking mouse now.
God damn.
Yeah, if we do this and you see the doji, it's just like, yeah, we don't know. But when we come to this doji with the idea of that, if we just only hide the doji like this, man, the fuck is wrong with my mouse? Yeah, like that. See, now it makes much more sense. Because that doji is gone now, because it opened and closed at the same price, so it means nothing happened during that half hour.
Also, the lower wick didn't exceed the previous candle body.
Yeah, exactly.
Which
So you wouldn't take that low in consideration? as a
Yeah, I
stop
would.
placement?
I would.
So that would be your stop?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, see, Chris, like I was saying yesterday,
Yep.
having to wait until 6:30 before I'm allowed to take the trades.
Yeah, man. Yeah, stick to it, man. It works.
Yeah.
It's all about being consistent.
Yeah.
Hey.
I wanted to work on my. I already took gold, but I was just watching GJ wanted to work on that entry. I wasn't comfortable taking it off that 15-minute break. I was looking for another bearish candle after that bullish one formed, but it formed so much lower than the bullish candle. Would you have gone in before the 15-minute close?
Like, which one? Which close?
Before the 15-minute bearish close that pushed it down.
This one?
One to the right.
This one?
The right, dude.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. If I was paying attention to this, I would have entered right over here. Like after this 5-minute closed bearish. So I would have entered right over here, anticipating this mini range to be filled, and then, continue down. So I would have entered right over here. Now when I look back at it. But I was hoping that this 15-minute that went bearish, it would close somewhere down over here, and I could take a sell on the next one to continue moving down. But
that's
just
why I sell stops instead.
Yeah, but I don't like sell stops here with right below the 15-minute bullish wick, because that you have a support coming in, even though there's a clean candle.
Yeah, but
I didn't think it was enough of a range.
Yeah, but the thing with that is now once if let's say you have a sell stop down over here, so what you're anticipating is that the next candle will break the low of the previous one, which will increase the probability of price to continue down. Because if price is going to continue, like if let's say price is going to go back up in the range, it will need to respect the low of the previous bullish candle. So when you have pairs like GJ and gold, they have tendencies of moving like really, really fast, so that's why sell stops and buy stops may work at times, because it just takes you in profits like really quickly.
Or you can do what Roman did in YOLO, jump in
Yeah.
here because I saw all this clear and I just rode this out and then it dropped. I closed out down here.
Yeah, so I'll put my sell stops there.
So you did exactly the same thing I did, just waited for it to come back.
And then once it got there, I moved my stop loss straight to where the previous support was. And that was it. Just leave it.
Because I was sitting here watching this all freaking morning from 5:50.
Yep.
I figured this break was just that pressure building up, like I talked about yesterday, just pressure.
Yep.
I knew I could get that quick little move and then get out. Sorry,
The
I'll
thing
clear
is,
my garbage up.
Broke down, there's going to be enough momentum to keep going. And like you said, when you use a sell stop or buy stop, it's because you're catching the momentum. It's not like a slow trade. You're already moving through it, so it shouldn't really come back on itself if you got it planned right. So
yeah,
that's good.
Why would my stop be below the doji if we're ignoring it though? Oh, because that was the time frame. Because during that time, price made a low and it made a high. It's a little advanced concept because I've just started to realize this maybe like a month and a half ago, so I'm still. Yeah, like I look at these things in the charts all the time, and I base my trades off on those.
God damn, gold. That's
Yeah.
a nice big rejection off there.
Yeah, gold rejected that hard.
But people closed.
I was gonna say, I hope no one had buy stops above.
Man, I
what was
told
on there.
you about those GJ sells earlier this morning. Should have taken them.
But gold does this kind of things a lot.
Yep. Every day.
Yeah, like here.
So this was
Spikes a
the
lot.
This was the 6:30 close, and I should have taken it per my rules, but I didn't.
This one.
Like I said, this was what made me nervous. It was a weak conviction, but I should have based it off of this. Okay, this whole area held. This is a good indication we're gonna go. This one was just dicking around with my emotions, this little doji, and then bam, I missed all that.
Tiny risk.
Yeah. Holy crap.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is the Thursday fuckery. If the doji closed bearish, would you still have blacked it out? No, because the doji did not close bearish. The worst thing someone can do in trading is to say, what if this, what if that, what if this, what if that, you know? It's not that. It's about what's happening in the now. And you got to go off of that. Because a lot of people, you know, when they ask me questions, their questions are mostly like, oh, what if the candle closed like that? Or what if the candle closed like this? You know, they're like infinite ways how candles can close. We can't talk about those. We can only talk about what's presented in front of us right now.
Yeah, what it did.
Yeah. It's like when you're driving a car and you're like, oh, what if that car does this or that car does that? You know, I mean, it gets pretty hard that way. Oh, god damn, look at that drop.
Yeah, I'm glad I secured some on GJ.
Yeah.
The thing is, this could just be coming up to create a support now. Yeah, sorry, resistance.
Alright, what's this? Gold, bearish, OB, liquidity before highs are taken. Add second position if it takes high, then closes back under. Oh. So he's looking for sells. Okay. Yeah, I think.
Go on, GJ. That's come up and rejected that at the minute. Well, it's not closed yet, but.
Wow, what a rejection.
This could fall, man.
I don't even care where gold goes now. I'm done with my trades for the day.
You've killed it, Rakeel, today.
Yeah,
we have killed it.
Hey, there's no we, right?
Yeah, no we, man.
It's a we now.
Oh yeah.
If y'all
Remember,
want,
Rakeel, there's no we.
If y'all want, hit the YouTube like, yo.
Yeah, for real. Yeah. Share some love.
I think these streams are really breaking the stigma of Forex is a scam, you know, like.
Shit pays my bills.
Forex is just an asset class. You got to look at it that way.
Yeah, that's true. It's an asset
Well,
class.
Forex is a scam if you're believing that it's going to give you a Lamborghini and you're going to pop bottles in 2 weeks.
Yeah, trust me. I ain't in that level.
Come on, if Rakeel can do it, we can do it.
I mean, we're just getting tired of having profitable trades every day.
I said that this morning. Where was Rakeel? I was like, yeah, he's probably oversleeping from all the wins, just too tired.
I slept in today.
Popping champagne bottles.
Like, today we had a winning trade. Yesterday we had a winning trade. The day before yesterday we had a winning trade.
We had some awesome winning trades yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That GJ played good. That was a good day. That looks so good on the replay as well. That's really good.
I just went boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. But the things you put on your IG, you can see from the entry to like, you know, midway through to where it ended up. Man, it's a big move.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Like, take a look at this.
All right, I got in a buy, and the reason I took this buy before the candle closes is because the 15-minute candle closed, so that's the half of the 30-minute. So that means, so I'm anticipating that this lower wick is the 15-minute low, which is also the 30-minute low. You know, so as long as the 30-minute stays above this, it should continue moving up. I mean, I've seen it happen lots of times.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah. It's
I
one
actually.
It's like there's like 3 candles that are just like massive. It's just like yo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. I usually watch my highlights like 4 or 5 times.
Oh shit! News. This is news.
Oh, news. Where?
Sorry. Oh, no, it's not important. Important news.
Oh, I guess it's important. Gold just took a dump.
It's US news. I don't think it'd be. It's like a medium folder.
Will the daily fill the daily wick here coming down?
Potential.
Will we break support on the 4-hour? See now, this is the daily wick low right here, 1471. Now I'm not going to take this trade. I'm not going to encourage anyone to take this trade, but this is just me anticipating. If it happens, it should happen till here. For someone to win dollars in a trade, does someone else need to lose dollars? I think that's correct.
Kind of.
Yeah, it's a zero-sum game, except if you're trading via CFDs, which is you against the broker.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, someone has to lose.
It's pretty easy to make money because more people lose money than make money. If you're going on that basis.
Before it was like 80 something, nowadays it's around 75 of them lose money.
Yeah.
I think it's probably more.
I think it's decreasing now because they're all
Yeah.
jumping on the live streams.
I thought you were going to say following the trades from the
Yeah, dude, we're going to end Forex. That's the problem.
the fire account.
Yeah, the fire account.
All right. Well, it's 8:30. I gotta start getting ready for my 9 to 5.
Oh, what? Really?
I know.
No,
I know.
because like that's awesome because you came on the stream at 6:30. You took your profitable trades before work, and now you're gonna go to work.
You made your 2K, and now you're going to make more money.
I wish 2K.
Yeah,
no.
make less.
No, you know that's nice because like that's kind of like how I started. Like we'd wake up at like a little earlier, 5:30. We'd like look for trades till like exactly 8:30, get ready for work by 9, and get to the office by 9:30 and go.
Yeah, well, I'm in sales, so technically my office is already open. So
I was in sales too.
Kind of create my own schedule with respect to my office, but no. But yesterday I finished at about 8:45. I jumped off. You saw me saying goodbye to everybody. I was
Yeah.
out. I had a meeting at 9:30. I had to run to. So
Yeah, I'm in
trying
sales too.
Yeah, so I was trying to structure everything around pushing everything back until like after 9, so this way I could at least get in an hour or two of some good trades.
Nice.
So I'm at the computer at 6 a.m.
Whoa, man, I respect you for that.
Man, I remember this one day. I was in USDCAD cells. I had like 3 lots running. I closed 2 lots. 1 lot was running. By the time I got to my office, I was up 700 USD. You know, and
you're like, why the hell am I here?
yeah, like I looked around. I'm looking around. I'm like, okay, I'm up 700 USD. That's around $1,000 CAD, and I'm just like, man,
What am I doing here?
Yeah, but also like this is great now because
yeah,
I can just do the sales meeting and just be stress free for the rest of the day because
Yeah, it's amazing.
I forgot to tag you on Instagram yesterday. I took my bike out yesterday because it's in the 60s down here. I live in Florida. So I took the motorcycle out yesterday. I was like, you know what? Yesterday was a good day of trading. Let me take the bike out. It froze my ass off half the day, but it was fun.
Yeah.
I used to do the same. I changed my whole life to go. I started working night shifts so I could trade London Open, and actually not have to be at work. If that makes sense, I would finish work and then come home, trade London Open, and go to bed, and it used to pay so much better eventually.
Yeah, well, can't sell stuff to people when they're sleeping, but so I'm kind of screwed. But I get up at 5. I've been getting up at 5. I take a shower, make a quick sandwich or something for breakfast, and
that's a lot of dedication, man. I've got respect for that.
Well, Rakeel said it. You got to have a time. Don't change
man.
that time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then over time you're gonna start, because then I start to consistently make 700, 1,000 a day, and then a time came and I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy on my sales job. So me and my buddy, we had an office, and we had 26 agents with us. Once I got to like consistently making around like 1,100 to 1,200 a day, I started taking it easy on my agents, and they would just ask me, hey man, like, what's wrong with you? Why? Where's your passion now? I'm like, I don't know. And then one day I just stopped going. I just said, hey guys, I'm done sales. That was it.
Yeah.
That will never happen with Forex, Rakeel. You'll never lose your passion for this.
Exactly.
That's when the bug gets you, and that's the problem. If you don't get that bug, it ends up being boring. But I get so excited every day. I just got sitting here drinking coffee. I think that's probably why. All right, I'm gonna get coffee.
All right, fellas. Well, I'm calling it.
Yeah, man.
Take care, man.
Oh shoot! Why am I
Enjoy
drawing
your
screen?
day.
My bad. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow morning for my first NFP with y'all.
Yo, yeah, fun.
Mm-hmm.
Get ready to lose all your profits. Oh,
I know, right? There goes my whole paycheck tomorrow. Fuck.
Yeah.
God damn it.
All right, gents. Have a good one.
See you, dude.
You too.
Yo, we got a jazz singer in the chat. That's awesome.
YouTube.
That's a cool job. Yeah, man.
Oh.
Yeah, someone on there, the jazz singer, and they watch the streams before they go do their shows.
Who?
I can't. Oh, it's gone up off the screen.
Joey Paris.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
so. Yeah.
Yeah, Joey Paris.
That's a cool job, man.
Where can we hear you?
Yeah, where's the YouTube stream at? Let's see. You'll have to get it up.
Where is she? Or he? Yellow. So I'm not quitting my job.
That's a cool job. That is cool.
Yeah, totally understandable. Where can we hear you, Joey?
I was just actually writing that. It didn't come up on the screen yet.
Cool.
Ah, yeah, nice. That'd be awesome. You need to shout loud if you want to talk to Ted. He ain't here.
Ice. He's on. She's traveling.
Vacation, man. What you got planned today, dude? You got much going on?
Two heads with elves.
Man, I'm tired today. Oh, Iron Man, you meeting up? That's cool. Oh, awesome, dude. Hope you have a good time. You have to get some pictures on the IG. Flex it for the G. And where'd everyone go? They all just vanished.
Still
I'm here, brother.
Oh, that's cool. That's not. I thought my thing stopped working.
Think GJ's coming back into that range?
I'm not sure. I think it'd have to. I'll see how it reacts at 43.
Yeah,
I'll
it's
see
kind
what
of close
happens.
above that.
Yeah, it could end up being a big fake out, but
Yeah.
I'll just be patient and see what's up. I mean, that 43, if that holds, that could end up being like a
You
bigger
called
week.
that move down though, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, we got that one on the way down. Once it broke out.
I was hesitant placing that self stop.
I just on the lower time frames, it looked a lot simpler, if that makes sense. If you're just looking on 15, it could be a bit dodgy for me. But
So
when
you really pay attention to the 5 and the 1?
only if I'm placing like a stop, I tend to use the 5 minute quite a lot, just to see how it's
Gotcha.
reacting, see if it's creating like another support or resistance, and see if I'm getting some kind of reaction. But this time it's just based on the fact that it was the hour open and stuff, and I wasn't sure, so I thought it's worth the risk because the risk reward is fine. But I wasn't sure how the hour was going to react. It could just be it could have pulled straight back, but the momentum started to come out, so happy to take a sell and see what happened.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I feel like this week has been huge as far as just like sitting back and watching.
Yeah.
It definitely helps.
Yeah, it's all about that patience. You ain't got to trade all day. Now Rakeel's back.
Oh, Jacob Mana. Nice. Did you catch it?
That's a clean chart with nothing on.
Yeah, I think because he sent the chart earlier when
Oh, did he?
USD-CAD was right over here.
Nice.
Yeah, apparently I think it had a nice move down now.
Missed those GJ buys, man. I wanted to push down a little bit more.
Well, you just missed like entering lower. Yeah.
Yeah, where kill line was on GJ. Really, when I got on the stream, I said I want to take buys at that level.
Yeah, it didn't quite get there, did it? I'll see. Yeah, that's no biggie. Right, unless it goes to like 43,500. Then it would.
Testing, testing, testing.
Yeah, man.
Okay, perfect.
1, 2, 3.
Did you mute yourself?
Yeah. Now the initial movement from the open of the sessions has slowed down if I missed some trades today. Would it still be okay to apply the same principle you have used today? Yes. Yes, you can. Am I going mad, or is it the same song over and over again? Yes, it's the same song over and over again. That's
Roger don't want to pay YouTube the 29 cents a month to play unlimited songs.
Exactly.
You just spend it on that suit.
Kivan will say, "God damn."
God damn. So do you have to actually pay here to put proper music on?
Really?
Well, I don't know. That's what I was asking.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
No.
Knowing YouTube, they probably would do that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, USD CAD is dying.
Wow. It broke that 4-hour support yesterday, and it just kept on dropping.
Yeah.
Then gold should die too. I have some pending order sales below 1472.50. I am expecting that liquidity grab they did on 1 hour. It's to the upside.
Thanks.
And so GJ should continue moving up. But like Yvonne said, I wanted some better price. I wanted 142.50 or 142.80. Something like that.
Yep.
All right, what's this? Someone's got a GJ prediction. Interesting. Let's take a look. Let's take a look how this chart has been plotted. Oh, wait for bearish pressure, enter after bearish. Yeah, this makes sense. This is perfect. So GJ, now this is what this person is seeing. GJ broke this. Why the fuck is this black? GJ broke the support, created a low. Now it's doing some sort of a retest. So I think if you get a bearish candle here, this one, I think on the 15 minute still okay. Then you could have a trade running back down to retest this low it created.
Yeah, I mean, looking at the hour, if the hour finished, because we broke out the zone, if the hour finished bullish, bearish, sorry, that would give me a nice confirmation.
Yeah.
I would like that to feel the wick.
Yeah, because if the 15 minute closes bearish,
yeah,
then that means the 30 minute is respecting this support and closing below it.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's a good option.
That'd be good.
As I said, just wait to see what happens at 43 and see if we kind of get rejection off that. Would be good. Would be nice.
Oh, someone sent another chart. NZD CAD, stop loss above the 4-hour high, close below 1 hour support. Yeah, this could work out. I don't trade New Zealand CAD. I don't know what it does.
Big move on the left. That's
Yeah.
huge. 4 hours.
Yeah, it could. I would think the stop is too big. I think the stop should be above the 1 hour candle, but that's just my opinion. And opinions are like flies, you know, they're everywhere. So it means you don't have to take my opinion into consideration. Oh, what's this? Could be a retest. See, now when we look at this chart and when we look at, where's that other chart? Anyway, someone sent a very nice chart. I mean, this is no, man, nothing. You have to put in where your entry would be, what you're going to do, what you're planning. And who's this? Filippo Maino. You need to do some more testing on this, like some more annotation. See, now this is going bearish, which is good.
Yeah, I'm kind of liking the look of that. Not yet, but I like the way it's setting up. Because the owl has just gone bearish as well.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are getting confident in sending proper analysis now. And I've seen these proper analysis come from people who have been coming to the streams for the last month and a half. So that's good.
There's definitely an improvement in charts that you see.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely improvement.
Yeah, man.
You know, because no one wants to look... Well, no one wants to get roasted, right? So now people are putting an effort in the charts.
And like I said, I think the time that people are seeing other people doing certain stuff gives them ideas for labeling and, you know, getting away from the whole, that arrow does this arrow does that.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, Raja, we can't hear you.
Yeah.
I don't know, Chris can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear. What, is that on YouTube?
No, on Zoom.
No, I can hear you fine.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, not Alex. Not Alex, it's, I think, it's it. Yeah. Raja's mic is muted. No, it's not. It's
no, I'm playing. You gotta be playing because I'm talking to myself on there otherwise. I'm hearing voices in my head. Don't buy, don't sell.
Are you trying to toy with me? It's almost 9 a.m. Probably gonna leave at like 9 a.m.
You got plans today?
Yeah, gonna get the visa. I gotta get a visa done for my son.
Oh, okay.
So we gotta go to the visa office. And gonna go to the gym, do some back and biceps.
Is that like a child passport?
Yeah, but to go to Pakistan, he needs a visa.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't
Is your wife going also?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Are you wearing suit to go to Pakistan?
Yes.
God damn.
Seriously?
He's gonna look like a king.
What?
Yeah,
Like,
man.
wearing a suit? What?
Yeah.
Why are you wearing a suit to go to Pakistan?
Oh, no.
He bought one yesterday.
No.
It looked like a king.
That's for the wedding.
Say, that's gonna be uncomfortable.
Not for traveling.
It is hot over there, Roger?
Yeah, it's like 4 degrees right now.
Does it snow in Pakistan?
Yes, in the mountains.
Oh, seriously?
That's cool. I didn't know
Yeah.
that.
Oh.
Learn something new every day.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at this chart. Makes sense, right? Yep, makes perfect sense.
Hey, who's
Makes-
copying my candles? Someone's
Makes
copying my
perfect
candles.
sense.
That was obviously a joke.
Yeah, I know. Man, you know, I get a lot of charts just like that every day, and I just reply with, yep, makes sense. Oh, Mr. Pro Trader asked the question. Sir, I'm studying. Do you think I should go full-time trader in future? Well, Mr. Pro Trader, I think you should first change your name to a new trader instead of pro trader.
I was just about to say that. Change your name from pro to rookie.
Yeah.
He's
Because-
lucky that he's not here.
Do it full time.
Yeah, because when someone talks to me and their name is pro trader, I expect you to be a pro trader. But
Yeah, I wouldn't dare put that as my name.
yeah, that's like a fake trade, you know? It's like a fake out.
That's like trade with Monty FX.
Hey, no, they're not FX in my name, bro.
All right. Someone
All right,
sent it.
guys, I'm heading off. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
All right, sir. Take care.
You know,
Have a good one,
actually,
brother.
in all seriousness, I wish I'd never chose that name back in the day. I'd rather do something completely different.
I stay away from anyone that has FX in their name.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. For some
I
reason,
thought to learn that, and I was like, man,
I don't like it.
I wish I never did.
Yeah, when I saw Monty's name, Trade with Monty, I was like, yeah, stay away from this guy.
See, that's I get a bad rep because of that name. I didn't realize it was that important on social media.
It's probably just another scammer.
Yep.
Yeah, because usually, like, you get Bitcoin guys or trade with this guy, or like, you know, Bitcoin profits. One of them.
My whole massive following of like, I don't know, 7 people, or whatever it is, won't know who I am. So, yeah, I've considered it a lot of times changing it.
Thanks for the valuable insight and info. Yeah, no problem. We do it every day. Every day. I think people start leaving once they start to see that now conversations are getting off track. Then they know, all right, they're just done for the day now.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
I'm going to keep on GJ for the afternoon, but
yeah, I'm interested to know what's going to happen in the next half hour.
Yeah, that's what I think. Up to 9:30 your time, I think would be interesting because we could get that whip fill on that hour, on the 30-minute.
Do you think you would like to see another 15-minute bearish candle creating lower lows and lower highs?
I'm interested to see firstly what happens on the next hour open. If we go above 43, then I'll probably stop watching. But,
okay.
I mean, it could switch. I mean, the 30 minutes exceeded the previous candle, but it didn't close above yet. So.
Yeah, it's also now respecting this.
Yeah. See, for me,
there.
it's good potential to take it. Well, not this minute, but take the trade down to the previous wick.
Yeah.
840. So that's like 12, 15 pips from where we are now. Something. But just like to see what happens on the hour open. It could just jump and there'll be no valid trade then because it won't be worth the risk. Thing is, if it exceeds that previous one, it should quite easily get to your zone then at the bottom, I think.
Oh, someone's tracking GJ buys. This was my idea, but I didn't got it because I'm a beginner. I'm a little scared. Sorry, my bad chart. Oh, that's okay. I think you need to focus on the candles more. Like you need to zoom in and really look at the way how I look at the candles. You know, because if you can read candles, you can have profitable trades. Because essentially, a profitable trade is not like a move. A profitable trade is when you can accurately predict where the next candle is going to go. That's your profitable trade.
You can see that chart again. A minute.
Whoa. This one.
Yeah. I'd just say look at where your zones are as well. If you're trying to play from zones, because you've got like your support and resistance, same as what we've got on our screen's not there. If that makes sense. Maybe you're looking at the wrong place.
Or maybe extend the chart from this area here. Yeah.
Get a bit more of a visual because that big move in the middle makes everything look small. And that's just pretty big candles.
Oh yeah, look at this. This is gonna drop.
Yeah. You know what? I was really considering taking a trade just for the hour open, just in case it jumps down.
Yeah, it's gonna drop, man.
We could exceed that 30-minute candle.
Yep. That 30-minute. It's 1 hour.
It's like a rejection out of that zone. Yeah, keep coming. Keep coming. Here we go. Yeah, I think we'll get 780.
Why is GJ going to drop? Well, they are key. Well, okay, we had support here, and then price broke down, created a low, and came up. Now it's creating a resistance. So this was the break, and man, I need a new mouse today. I'm gonna get a new mouse.
It's also good to look at on the hour. You can see how it's forming on the hour. It's starting to lower highs and stuff.
Yeah, this is gonna drop.
Yeah, the hour looks good for that.
Look at the hour here. Yeah.
You see how it's forming? I mean, it's forming, but it's slow. But
Yeah.
you can see how it's starting to. Now it's turned bearish as well. I mean, unless we get a big jump on an hour change, I think would be good.
Oh boy, someone sold GJ. Well, if you're selling GJ, your stop is going to be at 143.025.
It's a bit risky for the hour, but you never know.
Stop loss. What's your opinion on candle colors being different to the usual? Well, you can have any sort of colors.
Customize your life, man. It's cool. Do what you want.
Yeah, everyone likes colors.
I've got 4 different colors. Right, so out open with no top wick. Yeah, not enough risk reward for me.
GJ now sell ? Well, Fatima Begum, I think you need to send a chart. You can't just come on here and say, is GJ a sell, is GJ a buy, and what trades are we in? I mean, that's not the way to learn. Seriously, if you guys want signals, you can go follow this guy. Well, the guy's blocked me, but his name is Blame Forex. You can go follow him. He's gonna give you signals.
And you can charge you each month too.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, you need to post charts. There's a description video in my description, well, introductory video. If you watch that introductory video, I swear to God, if people think we are rude, watching that video, man, you're gonna have a very, very nice time. Because they are rules.
Yeah, for a reason.
Yeah, it's like, when you go to someone's house, there are certain things you do and certain things you don't do. You know, so these live streams is our house.
Yeah, it is. This is like our work studio. This is it's like what we do. I have to open my 4 hour as well. Actually, I didn't even click. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it for a little while.
Why do you don't like to trade the first hour on the 4 hour? Because
sometimes
it could retrace up to create a top wick. You know, so now this is interesting. So now if you think that this 4 hour candle is gonna continue down to fill this wick, right? So that's the basic trade idea. You also have to understand that the 4 hour candle can go up to create a top wick. So now when we go down through smaller time frames, right, that top wick might be the top wick on the 15 minute, but for 4 hour to continue down to fill, so now this is the bottom here, this bottom is the 4 hour wick fill. For 4 hour to fill this wick, this 15 minutes should not break the high of the previous 15 minute.
That's right.
And that's the only way you can expect it to just come straight down to fill this wick here.
Yeah, with the opening without a wick, you'd expect some kind of wick.
And
so
Chris, look at this, man.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at, man. I was like, I don't know.
Chris, you sound like Simon really badly.
I don't sound like Simon badly. I just sound like me.
You sound like Simon.
Sounds like a bad Simon. Is that what he's saying?
Oh,
yeah,
man.
no. I'm saying you sound like Simon. You can't be worse. I'm from Nottingham. My accent's horrible, but
Yeah, you sound just like my uncle. Just he lives in
Oh, I have a lot of friends in Nottingham.
Yeah. Yeah, he lives in West Bridgford.
Oh, that's where I live.
No way.
Yeah.
He had some floods and stuff not long ago in his street. I forgot the name of his street, but it all flooded up real bad.
It has flooded really bad. Yeah. Rakeel's a local celebrity in Nottingham.
Yeah.
I can guarantee Rakeel can go into any of the rough pubs, say that he's Raja.
Really? Is it Raja? Raja's in town. Yeah, the 30 minute broke the low of the previous one, so this increases its chances to continue down.
Yeah.
All right, someone sent a chart. Let's take a look here. Oh, sell stop. This is. Yeah, I don't know. I don't trade AUD JPY, so I have no comments on this other than the fact that you shouldn't be looking at AUD JPY in New York session because AUD is closed and JPY is closed. It's kind of like going to the strip club at 9 a.m. in the morning, when all the strippers are tired and there's nothing to do, So it's kind of like your AUD JPY is kind of like that right now in New
Or
York
looking
session.
for a hot girl in the club at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, there ain't no left.
Yeah, so you have to wait till this AUD JPY is open. That's just my thought process. Oh yeah, blame Forex. The thing is, when I first started trading, I messaged AstroFX, I messaged QBanks, I messaged Blame Forex and Switch Trader, and there were a couple other guys I messaged, and the only person who responded back to me was Uncle Ted. He was the only person who responded back to me. And I think two other people, I'm not going to name them, they said, well, if you want us to answer your question, here's the link, you need to buy this course. And I was like, wow, man. And now when I got to these streams, Blame Forex, he messaged me asking me, how am I making money by doing these live streams for free? Because he wanted to do the same thing. And I just laughed at him, and then he sent me a couple more messages, and then I turned on my screen recorder. I deleted his messages without reading them. I then posted it on my story, and then I guess he got mad and he blocked me.
What you should have done is say, join your market fluidity in your reply.
Yeah.
I've started doing that live anyway now.
Yeah. Now he does live streams too, but he charges people,
Yeah, that's
so,
bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got time for that bullshit.
Oh, someone sent another chart.
It don't cost nothing to learn on here.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Very nice. I don't have much money. I learned from live stream. Yes, that's true. One other reason I started live streaming was because there are a lot of people who can't afford mentorships or who can't afford courses.
Yep.
So this is a great avenue for you to come and ask good, constructive questions.
The amount of stuff you can watch, just now you've got such a lot. How many, actually, them videos, I was going to ask you that the other day, how many of them can they keep on YouTube? Because there's tons.
I had no idea.
Loads, man. So
They haven't told me yet to stop uploading, so I'll just keep uploading.
You'll get a bill soon. That's $50 a video. God damn.
Oh, GJ, we need bullish candle to confirm entry. Looking forward price to create support here. I think you'd want price to come up above 143 to take a buy, but then again, you try to so this area is a consolidation area right here, right? A better buy on GJ would be above 143, 157. That's going to be a better buy.
Yeah, you're kind of trading into a zone like an old support kind of resistance as well. It's
yeah,
tough.
It's pretty tough.
Right, TJ's boring me. I'm going to go make coffee and chill out. So,
all right. Yeah, I'm going to head off too.
Yeah, have a good one, guys. I'll catch up with you later.
Take it easy.
Take it easy. Have
Take
fun.
care, everybody.
Shukriya, shukriya.
Shukriya.
See you later, all. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Take care, Monty.
Take care, Monty. No, that was Simon, not Monty.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Kerwin, he's getting old. He has the air problem.
Yeah, I know, man. No, but not too old, bro. Not too much.
34?
No. You already know I'm 42, bro.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Now you make me feel bad.
Man, you look younger than me.
Oh no, hell no.
Even with 10 kids, wow, it's crazy.
Jesus Christ.
From 8 to 10.
I hope to see you like with 5 kids, you know.
Yeah, very soon.
I know you will. I know you will. Because you love kids.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
All right, take care, everyone. I'm gonna go.
All right.